Now then, this is a parking spot for SP-005 Pendle Hill. Just parked by this cattle grid here. This is the road that goes down to Barley. What we need to do with this, we need to walk up this track, keep to the right, you go through some trees, go through a little wooded section, you turn right and right again. There's a track that goes diagonally up the hill there to the top right, and when you get to the wall at the top, you turn back on yourself, and the trig point is up there, the summit is up there right on the peak. It looks massive this one, but it's not too bad. It's only just over a mount at top. This is where you need to keep right. Don't know if my camera's picking it up, but right in the centre there, you can see humans ascending. So the path goes left to right diagonally across the hill. So when you get to this sign, you've got a choice. It says there, slope or steps. If you go to the left, that way slightly longer, but not as steep. Loads of humans. I've always done it this way. Up the stone steps. Look how many people there's less people at local shopping centre. Right guys, I haven't done much filming on the way up. It's packed with people. There's families, people with kids, people with walking dogs and things. Summit's just behind me. I'm tucked in behind this wall. It's quite windy. Yaesu FT-25 handheld, multifunction dipole. I've actually got my camera fixed on the tripod, same tripod as my antenna. So apologies if footage is a little bit wobbly.
Summit to summit, summit to summit.
The summit to summit station, go ahead.
This is Mike 7 Bravo India Alpha Portable. Mike 7 Bravo India Alpha Portable on Lake District 050 yourself.
Mike 7 Bravo India Alpha Portable. Mike 0 Romeo Sierra Foxtrot Portable. Good morning. I'm on Golf Stroke Sierra Papa 005 Pendle Hill. G Stroke SP-005 Pendle Hill. You're 5 and 5, 55, Roger?
Yeah, thanks for the 5-5, thanks for the 5-5. You're a 5-4 for me, 5-4. Can you repeat your call sign again, please?
Yeah, Roger, my call sign, Mike 0 Romeo Sierra Foxtrot Portable. Mike 0 Romeo Sierra Foxtrot Portable. Chris is my name, over.
Hiya Chris, name here is Martin, and you're a 5-4 to me, 5-4, and thanks for the Sierra Papa 005. I'm on Golf Lima Delta 050. Golf Lima Delta 050. QSL?
Yeah, QSL all copied, Martin. I've done that one a couple of times. Fantastic. It's really windy up Pendle Hill. I'm just tucked in behind the wall and it's quite cold, so I'm not going to hang about, Martin. You enjoy the activation on safe descent, Martin. Recognise the call sign, and I'll see you further down the log. M7 BIA Portable, M0 RSF Portable. Thanks, Martin.
Yep, portable station calling.
Yeah, 7-3 Martin. Was there another portable station calling? Go ahead.
Mike 7, Mike Charlie Golf Portable. Mike 7, Mike Charlie Golf Portable. Currently looking at Pendle Hill from the hill called Wheats, Whiskey Echo Echo Tango Sierra. Wheats Hill.
M7 MCG Portable. M0 RSF Portable. Yeah, good morning. 5'9", very strong as expected. I've got Wheats Hill, 5 and 9. Could you just for the name for the log, please, over?
Yep, you're 5'9" plus to me. Operator name is Mick, Mike, India, Charlie, Kilo. I'm just out walking, bagging a few sorters. But unfortunately this isn't a sorter, but nice to get the sorter points there. Thanks very much, Chris.
Yeah, thanks Mick, I appreciate the contact regardless. It's a nice day, but I tell you what Mick, it's freezing up here. It really is. So I'm going to crack on, Mick. You enjoy your day, all the best.
All the best, yeah. Tell me about it. I'm out walking in shorts, so 73's catching a bit.
Blimey, I thought we were on a postman that did that, crazy people. 7-3 Mick, cheers.
Call 6, X-ray Bravo.
Yeah, another Summit to Summit station, go ahead.
Mike 0, Victor Papa Mike Portable from Lake District Golf, Lima Delta 011. Yourself?
M0 VPN Portable, good morning. 5 and 7, 57 your report. I'm on Golf Stroke Sierra Papa 005 Pendle Hill. Chris is my name, over.
Good morning, Chris. The name here is Alan Alpha Lima Alpha November. You are 5 and 5, 5 and 5, 5 and 7 variant. Thanks very much for the 5 and 7. I'll not hold you because we're both quite cool, but you take care and have a lovely day. There's other stations waiting for you. 73.
Nice to catch you, Alan. 7-3, thanks for the Summit to Summit. It's cold up here, I'm not staying long. I'll work the pile up. As soon as I call QRZ and nobody comes back, I'm off. Enjoy the day, Alan. Safety sent, 7-3.
M0 XLT.
Call 6, X-ray Bravo Fox.
M0 XLT, morning Kevin. 5'9", Southern Pennines, number 5, Pendle Hill, over.
Good morning to you both. You're 5 and 8, Chris 58 into Gargrave, and there's quite a few calling you. Leave you with it, Chris, because it is cold. I don't care what anybody says, and I can't believe Mick's out in shorts. I tell you, I don't believe it. Incredible. I'd be wrapped up to the hill. You take care, Chris. Thank you for the points.
Yeah, thanks for the contact, Kevin. Always a pleasure to work you. Now then, Neil's out on Craco Fell. I don't know if you've got him already, Kevin, over.
I've worked Neil already. He's on a handheld with a whip antenna. He's had issues, I think, so I've worked him. He's qualified it seemingly as well.
Yeah, excellent. Hopefully he'll find me on this one. You're the fourth, Kevin. I've qualified the Summit, so I'm not staying. Speak to you this evening, hopefully, Kevin. 7-3, all the best.
Okay, Chris, take care. There's Walt calling from Leeds. You take care, Chris.
Walt's the next one. Yeah, Walt's the next one. I've already got him written down. All the best, Kevin. G6XBF, go ahead.
Yeah, G6XBF returning. Yeah, good morning, Chris. Nice to see you out and about again. It's all good, but 5 and 5 into North Leeds, Chris. Best I can give you.
Thanks for the 5 and 5, Walt. 5 and 9 for you. G-stroke SP-005 Pendle Hill, and it's freezing. I've not got the antenna very high. I'm tucked in behind a wall. If I put it any higher, I don't know, it's going to damage antenna, Walt. But nice to hear you. And I say I'm not hanging about because it's freezing one. All the best. Thanks for the cue. So 7-3.
Mike 7 Lima Alpha.
Yeah, all the best. Someone else calling you there, Chris. 73s.
Yeah, thanks, Walt. Thanks, Walt. Mike 7 Lima Alpha Portable. Go ahead.
Yeah, Mike 7 Lima Alpha, stroke Portable, Summit to Summit. Good morning, I still believe that, Chris. Yeah, like you said, it's windy up here. Can hardly move my fingers, but yeah, I'm going to get off. I just waited up here for you, and yeah, finally we've got a Summit to Summit, and for obvious reasons, you're 5'9", back to you, M0 RSF from Mike 7 Lima Alpha, shivering up Craco Fell.
Yeah, nice Summit to Summit. Thanks a lot for that, Neil. Tell you what, the higher I climb, the colder it got. I'm tucked in behind wall. Antenna's probably about 2 feet off the ground, Neil. I can't put it any higher, it's too windy. But yeah, you'll get you sent off. Thanks for hanging about, Neil, and hopefully it's the first of many. Over.
Yeah, no problem at all. Congratulations for activating it as well. Yep, 7-3 there, M0 RSF from Mike 7 Lima Lima Alpha. Take care, Chris.
Yeah, safety Sentinel, cheers. QRZ M0 RSF Portable, Pendle Hill for someone that's on the air listening.
Golf 7 Whiskey Alpha Whiskey Portable.
Golf 7 Whiskey Alpha Whiskey Portable 5-9. Is that Shacontil?
Yeah, it's Shacontil. We've walked up again this morning. You're 5-9 obviously, from G7WAW. Name's David.
Yeah, thanks David. 5-9 also. I think I'm line of sight to you. I don't know which direction I'm looking, but I know Pendle Hill pretty overlooks it. It's freezing, David, so I'm not hanging about, but thanks for the cue, so over.
Yeah, you're fine. Chris, we're waving at you through the window here, Chai. Yeah, it is line of sight. 7-3s and good luck.
I've got a nice flask of warm tea, David, but I haven't got a burning stove like you guys have, over.
Yeah, well, you know you're welcome any Sunday. Anyway, I'll let you go and get some more contacts from Golf 7 Whiskey Alpha Whiskey Portable.
That's it then, we can just go down.
Yeah, thanks David. You guys enjoy, have fun up there. So I'm going to work what's there and I'm going to clear it off because it's absolutely freezing. All the best, David, to everybody up at Shacontil 7-3. Anybody else for G-stroke SP-005 Pendle Hill? This is M0 RSF Portable QRZ. Is that it? Final call for Pendle Hill. Mike 0 Romeo Sierra Foxtrot Portable listening. That's it. Right, back at car now. That were fun. That were good to be out. Even had to change my PPE, look, front flat cap, something a bit more substantial. Oh man, nithered. So that was fun. I didn't do much filming because it were windy, it were cold, and it were really busy with people. Absolutely heaving on top. I didn't even bother going up to the trig point because, no exaggeration, there must have been 30 or 40 people up there at that time. Quick activation, 2 metre FM, 7 QSOs, of which 3 were summit to summit. So we're still in the winter bonus period here. So I've got 5 activator points and I've got 11 chaser points with the 3 summit to summits. 7 contacts in all. So that were good. So I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'm going to have a bite to eat. And I reckon after that, I think I deserve a treat. How about that? No, I'm not 20-year-old. Not yet. Triple chocolate muffin. Have it. 20. What's that for? Something's on the air earlier this week. It's 20 years old. It's all grown up. Which is brilliant. It's the next 20 years, eh? Regarding the contacts, good to work, Neil. Summit to summit. Finally, Mike 7 Lima Lima Alpha. He has a YouTube channel. Have a look for Bear Chills and you'll see him. He does some amateur radio videos. He does some reviews on various places. He does wild camping too. So have a look for Bear Chills. He's a good lad, is Neil. Have a look. One of the other contacts that I had was with Shacontil, or Shack on the Hill, for those that don't speak great broad Yorkshire. Interesting location they play radio from as well. If you're in this area, Southern Pennines, Northern Pennines, possibly Lake District, at a weekend, there's normally somebody up there playing radio. If you want to find more information about them guys, go onto social media, go onto Facebook and search for The Shack Yorkshire Dales. I hope I've got that right. So, not much filming, but thanks for watching. It's not going to be much of a video, this. It's not going to be the best, but it's been really, really good to go out and play some radio. It's been a while and I've missed it. Hit the subscribe button, like, dislike, comment, and all that jargon. I'm going to stuff my face and see you on the next one. 7-3 Chris, M0 RSF.